Hello and welcome to Giottus. Today, we'll quickly show you how to use promo codes on Giottus. But first, ensure that your KYC registration is completed. If you haven't registered yet, here is a quick guide on how to complete your KYC registration with Giottus. The complete registration process consists of 5 steps: registration, email verification, mobile number verification, KYC, and bank verification. Let's see how to complete each of these steps. Start by signing onto the Giottus homepage. Fill in your details including your name, email, and mobile number. Once the sign-up is done, you will have to complete the email verification part. Check your inbox for the activation email and click the verification link. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Once email verification is completed, you must complete the mobile verification. This can be done by verifying your mobile number and by entering the OTP sent to your phone number. Please note that international customers must register using an Indian mobile number and then enable a 2-factor authentication for their account once the KYC registration has been completed. Upload images of your PAN and Aadhaar card for KYC. Ensure images are clear and below 5 MB in size. Enter your ID details as per your PAN card. The last step of completing the registration is to enter your bank details. The bank account must be in your name to comply with regulations. Submit your details and you're all set. You'll receive an email once your KYC is reviewed. Once your KYC is approved, head to your profile page, click on promo code, enter your code and hit apply. The bonus will be credited to your wallet immediately. Thank you for choosing Giottus and happy trading. For more such videos, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.